Hi guys, welcome back. What I want to look at today is our second lesson here on using the Microbit. We're going to hit create code. That's going to bring us here, and I want to do a new project called 3 buttons. So I'll OK that, and that brings us in here. Now I'm going to get rid of these again for the time being. Don't need to worry about them. Now we've written no code here, so I'm going to just push play for a second and enlarge the Microbit. Now we know there that there's a button A on the left, there's a button B on the right, and there's an option to push the two of them together. So that will give us a third button. It works like a third button. So I'm going to minimize that. That's our plan for today, to have 3 different outcomes. So I'm going to hit the pink button up here for the inputs. So on button A being pressed, I am going to just bring out there. Now we looked at this here where it says hello. So again, just to mess around there, change that here, what up, or whatever you want there, H-E-Y. Okay, that. So, and you can add more if you want. Like, I mean, you can put in emojis. The more you do on all of these, the happier I am. So I'll change that to a little hearty thing there or whatever. Anyway, so now when I press button A, it says hey and that. But what I want to do now next is I want to bring in that again. Now see the way the color changes, because I've already told it what to do for button A and the first one, so I need to change this to button B. Now it's activated again. So for button B, we're going to do something else there. We're going to just say show an arrow, and we'll say north, and I'm going to just use that a few times there now. So show an arrow north, and I'm going to put east, south, and west. Okay, so when I push B now, it's supposed to do that. Let's have a look at that. So north, there we go. So that worked perfectly, and when I push button A, it says hey. But what I want to do now then finally, I might be able to put that up out of the way there for the time being, is I want to do an A and B together. So you can see there now, I've got button A doing one thing, button B doing another thing, so I want this to be A and B pressed together. So let's see what we can come up with. So again there, we'll just choose something basic to start. So I might just put in, look, just put in the LED, well, put in the LEDs, drop them in there, and I'll just put I'll just put in a T there for, that'll do. So that's A and B pressed together. Now what does that look like? So I'll maximize my Microbit. We know what A does, but now you've got a new button over here on the right underneath B. You've got a new button called A and B. So now when I push that, it brings up that T that I wrote with the LEDs. So now we've got 3 different, they're called inputs, but like button A does one thing. Button B does something different. and A and B pushed together does something different. And that is our second lesson. What I want you to do though, again, is just screenshot your code page here like that and save the picture to me there then. So I'm going to create an assignment called 3 buttons assignment, and you can just submit your picture there then like that. And that's lesson 2 on using the Microbit. Okay guys, see you later.